Unit 2, Lesson 4, Grammar, Modifier Marker.
的
The modifier marker
的
is used to connect a stative verb and a noun to describe the feature of places, objects, people, or animals. A stative verb is a verb that describes a state or a condition that is stable or unlikely to change. Many adjectives in English are considered stative verbs in Mandarin, for example,
好，好吃，漂亮，帅，可爱。
When you are describing something with the modifier phrases, produce the phrases with this order. Stative verb, plus,
的
plus, nouns being modified. For example,
好吃的小吃，
means delicious snacks,
漂亮的风景，
means beautiful scenery,
可爱的小猫。
means cute cats. In the next part, there are 3 practices for you. Please use modifier marker
的
and the stative verbs given to describe the pictures. Practice 1.
可爱，
The answer is.
可爱的狗，
Practice 2.
漂亮，
The answer is.
漂亮的小姐，
Practice 3.
不错，
The answer is.
不错的天气。
This is the end of the video. Next, it's your turn. Try to describe your hometown with,
的
and write your answer in comment.